and welcome. In the beginning, the name of Allah is most almighty and most merciful. So in this video, we are going to do MongoDB installment. And if you hadn't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it because I made new video and new content. So this is the day we are going to do MongoDB installment of MongoDB. And if you hadn't seen my first video of MongoDB, so see it because I am going to make the full MongoDB video in English and in easy form with libraries and framework in my WordPad. So inshallah I will make my own site after 20 to 10 days inshallah. So I am going to tell you in WordPad for example, so you learn betterly. So I am going to start that how we are going to install the MongoDB. So there is not so much hard. We have to install Mongo assets. We are going to install Mongo assets. I am using Mongo shell a few months ago for my web development. So I am going to do full programming web development in Mongo assets. So I am going to tell you how can you download a Mongo assets application or application slash our software in your Windows 11 in free. So let's go. I had opened my Google and I had written a MongoDB asset. MongoDB asset full form is MongoDB shell. So I am going to come down and down. There will be option MongoDB shell download. I am going to right click in it, and when I will right click on it, so the program of the MongoDB website will be open, and I am going to scroll down. There will be option learn more. Under learn more there will be version, platform, package. So we are going to download package the zip one. I am in Windows, as you can see. I am going to choose Windows and the version will be the first one. So if you are new in my video, for example after year you are going to see my video, so no tension because our in MongoDB commands don't change. So I easy wait a second. I am going to write a download, and after downloading there will be a zip folder like this. So simply I am going to double right click on it, and there will be a folder like this. I am going to double click on it and then to the bin. What I had done, I am going to tell you what I had done. This is my MongoDB folder. After opening my zip folder, I will be a Mongo SS 2.1 -win32 -x64 is equal to 64 bit. I am going to double click on it. After this, there will be a bin option, bin folder. I am going to right click on it. There will be a Mongo asset. Simply, what I had done, I had grabbed the Mongo asset and put it in my desktop. From here to desktop. So I am going to simply double click on it. For example, if you are going to see my full playlist, so you have to do in desktop Mongo asset because I am going to open my Mongo asset in one click. So I am going to open my Mongo asset. There will be a application, and I am going to run it, and there is learning processor is start. So I am going to wait 1 to 2 minutes. As you can see, there is a option that is saying Windows protect your PC. So there is no tension about this because they are saying that you really want to download it because PC have a risk. So there will be no risk. You are not being tension. So I am going to click in more info and run anyway. So I am going to minimize my file explorer, and as you can see there is a command prompt open. I am going to full screen in it, and this is our full MongoDB installment. So if you like my video, like my channel, comment and share and bell icon too. So I will meet you in next video with new content. So Allah Hafiz.